Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net here. Just wanted to go over this strange article. Um, LLMs are being used to replace human traders. Like, this does not make sense to me. Um, LLMs, trading systems, will never replace trading humans. Um, and this can be found on efinancialcareers.com. Thanks to the source, the usual source that sends these out. I give you my 2 cents on it. Let me just first say this. I really don't think LLM systems, trading systems, anything will really replace the trading human at all because um, the two hardest applications when it comes to automating things in the world, supposedly, are language, which they pretty well got down now, and trading. Capital markets is the second hardest application for AI and machine learning because it's so random and so unpredictable. So as a result, when you put on a series of open positions, you may not want to hold on to those positions if you start to see things to sort of decline. As of today, what I did, and I closed all of them today because of I just got was happy with a profit, and the machine kept going. Would have kept going, and I might have lost a lot more money than I needed to. Not just one example. Well, plus I'm grinding down here for the 6 7 weeks that I'll be gone until October 7th. So that's another reason as well. But the first reason is pretty well the same. If you want to retain profit, especially in this harder market. So let's get into this article. It's no secret that financial services are experimenting with AI tech to enhance their trading performance. Still early days. Nonetheless, there are promises illustrated by a recent paper from Columbia. I have not looked at it. Paper Large Language Model Agent in Financial Trading. There are two ways, broad ways, and LLMs have been tested in trading capacity as a trader or an alpha miner. Alpha miner is an interesting concept, but how's it any different than what we used to do with automation to find this alpha? As traders, LLMs operate in a variety of ways using different machine learning techniques. News driven agents will analyze swaths of news data to create a informed decision on whether to buy, sell, hold a stock. LLMs naturally are adept to textual data from a variety of sources, with social likes of Twitter and Reddit being as the studied field with great potential. That can be easily manipulated. That can easily, there's so much BS pretty well on both of those platforms. I don't think you can really rely on these as a sentiment. You may be able to do it on something like Seek and Alpha because those articles will go through a vetting process. So if you can get access to that type of data, maybe, but I can guarantee you that you won't get that. Numerical and visual data isn't as reliable as textual data when analyzed by LLMs, but significant progress has been made in both areas. There's been two interviews, one with Joe Rogan and Sam Altman of OpenAI. Um, it sounds pretty sophisticated, but the better, interesting interview, if you could find it, apparently was yanked off of YouTube by Eric Schmidt. He did an interview, kind of Q&A with Stanford, talking about all this fun stuff. And surprisingly, he actually got into the technologies of a new language, um, along with Python, his likes and dislikes of it. Quite technical there, um, and some concepts of just general machine learning. You may want to try to find that interview somewhere, wherever you can find it. But yeah, it was yanked down by Eric Schmidt because he says that people that sit in homes uh, and are not as don't have the same work ethic if you work in an office. And he's specifically targeting Google employees. Apparently, it was so controversial. It's like, you know. But anyways, let's continue the article. Other trading agents use reinforcement learning, trial and error focused technique appreciated by Goldman Sachs. So there is a link there. See what they're doing. All right, so there's that. I'll put this article on my blog post. Agents have proven effective in aligning LLM output with expected behavior. Again, from my playing around with early AI, it's really a 50-50 bet. I still think you will need to have some form of human element to really do well in profit taking on open positions because the markets right now are so crazy. You will need possibly to watch them. There's easy ways to do it, of course, where you may need to manually and override the exits. That's okay. I could be wrong and markets could continue tomorrow. I'm okay with it for now, but we'll see. That's part of the human element when it comes to trading. These blah, 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 blah. Backtesting can be a solution, but for markets with less available data, synthetic data may be the only solution. With that, yeah, I don't know if it's a total solution, but again, it depends on what kind of data you're looking at. I put up a video just earlier today about um, how the options tell you things that most people won't get. Know how to analyze that and know what the pros do. That is helpful for sure. It's got to be. Also, trading debate driven agents are more of an ecosystem. So, is this the left and the right and the politics, like arguing with each other as an AI? They comprise a number of different AI agents, each looking at different things such as mood, rhetoric, and dependency. Was this like a dog? Which will then debate each other in order to ensure the agent's final decision in well reasoned and robust. I could be sitting here laughing, but I did laugh at the day when I heard, "Oh yeah, we'll put a credit card on the internet." I was like, "Who's going to do that?" And here we are, probably 20, well, actually 30 years later. That's how old I am. Reflection-driven agents are similar to news-driven ones, with the key difference that data is summarized into memories upon discovery. Isn't that what backtesting is about? These memories are then recalled and analyzed to creating insights. You know what backtesting is? Please tell me. This is just getting a little airy fairy. You know what I mean? It's just ooh, but I really don't know if this is really fundamental. Raw data, yes, but to build AI agents, to build some kind of emotional element to it, I don't know. I'm not buying it yet. When it comes to alpha mining, now this might be interesting. LLM functions differently. The so-called writer agent will receive a general idea from a human trader, which it will do to generate uh, a script for its implementation. Okay, but that might be only good for that moment because prices change for different variety of reasons. So there's not one thing that will fit all scenarios. That then a judge agent will provide a feedback and refine the loop. I don't know. Things can be somewhat interesting there. Code is then tested in real market and results are used to refine the script further. I don't know. Alpha generation is resource intensive job. So this application will be an area of great promise for firms looking to cut costs. I think that's a whole point of systemizing things is to do that. Anyways, if you want to know more what I do, just go to quantlabsnet.com, go to the learn tab and fill out your info and you can get yourselves either a 45-minute TradingView video on why I like TradingView and the C++ HFT ebook is available as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.